Thank you for tuning in and welcome to Errant Painting. Today I'm painting up this Reaper Bones Necromancer, and I'm going to use a really quick and efficient paint scheme to get him done. In preparation for painting him, I cut his base, integral base, into a slaughter base peg and mounted him on a regular slaughter base, and I primed him with Wraithbone spray. And you can do that with Reaper Bones minis, even though it says in the package you're not supposed to prime them with spray, as long as you wash the model first. And I washed him in hot water and dishwashing soap before doing anything. I should also remember to apologize for not uploading a video last week. I had simply too many things going on, but yeah, we're back on track this week. To get things started, I'm going to take some Guilliman flesh, and this is obviously for his skin. Next up, some Psycho Brown, and this is for all the leather details, so his boots, his belts, the leather straps around here and there, the sword scabbard and the belt pouch. Now, some Black Templar, and this is for all his clothing as well as the bat wings on his staff. Next up, some Skeleton Horde, and this is basically for everything else. Next up, we're gonna take a tiny bit of Blood Angel's Red and dot in his one good eye. Now, some Vallejo Dark Earth texture. This is, well, yeah, pretty much like Steel and Mud, just cheaper and in a bigger can. And this is, of course, to texture the base. Next up, I'm gonna take some Nuln Oil and wash the texture on the base. The Nuln Oil has finally dried, so now I'll take some Terminator Stone and dry brush the base texture. And finally, before adding a bit of tuft to the base, I'll take some model color black, and this is of course for the base rim. There we have him, painted up in no time at all. And yeah, I really like this simple yet efficient paint job. I've added a bit of Swamp Tuft from the Army Painter to the base, and I think that tops it up nicely, giving that little bit of extra color. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's been a lot of fun painting up this Reaper Bones. Might do a Reaper Bone again next week, but let me know below what you think. Until next time, take care and bye bye.